Hey guys, hi IG. It's been so long since I have been live on IG and I really missed everyone and can't wait to talk to you. I promise I'm gonna try to be more consistent. Don't have a time yet to be consistent on, but I'm gonna try to be more consistent. Probably it's gonna be Thursday, but not sure when I can do that for sure. So I wanted to come here today as we are approaching the end of 2022 and entering to 2023. I've been so busy with my team and with my family, with everything, like with Thanksgiving, and went for a vacation and working also with my team and a lot of projects preparing for 2023. Also, another thing I've been really busy with and I'm enjoying so much working with my students on the mastermind, and we're doing a lot of great work trying to help them to start their 2023 prepared and strong so they can have their year of impact and make sure they do great work and raise enough fund to do the projects they wanted to do. So I apologize for not being able to be here as consistent as I wanted to be. So I wanted to come to see you guys and to ask you, like, are you prepared for 2023? What have you been doing? How are you preparing for 2023? Did you see, like, what did you achieve in 2022? Actually, this is one thing I've been working on for last few weeks right now. Like, I've been just, taking an inventory of what I have achieved in personal life and also in the business life, and see what did I achieve, what based on what the goal I set for myself in the beginning, and what I'm willing and want to take into for 2023 because it wasn't achieved this year. So trying to decide on that and being more realistic, because last year I guess I was so much that unrealistic. It was unrealistic. I put a lot of goals that personal and business that wasn't realistic enough. So hey Miriam. So yeah, for 2023, I'm trying actually to be more realistic and have things actually based on what I was achieving, transferring some of the goals into 2023 and trying to really measure them month per month to make sure I achieve most of them, but trying at the same time be, like I said, more realistic. Let me know in the chat, what have you been doing? Did you achieve everything you said you want to achieve for 2022, or are you looking to transfer some of these goals for next year? Let me know. I'll be interested to know. And have you also set your goal for 2023 yet? I know a lot of us not do that until the January, and I think January is too late. That's what I did last year. I put my goals in January and that was late, but still I was able to achieve some of them, but I'm transferring some of them actually for next year. Ariel's the goal is my middle name. Yes, Miriam, I hear you, yeah, I do that all the time, but this year, I was like, okay, I don't want to be disappointed by the end of 2023, so I'm going to try to be more realistic and have a balance between personal goals and business goals. So, one of my personal fun goals, I really want to do this year, is learn piano. I always wanted to learn piano and I've never done it. My dad got me a keyboard when I was in 4th grade, but never took lessons. So I was just playing randomly, and we didn't have YouTube or anything like that to learn at that time. But now actually I'm gonna learn piano. So using YouTube, and then we'll see where is that gonna take me. So, but I'm determined to learn that in my personal, as my personal goal, like fun goal. So to get some fun in my life, not only work. Another thing is my mastermind students, actually, like I want to make sure like we see results, and I work with them to make sure they achieve their goals. So this is a big goal of mine, and I have a lot of surprises that are gonna come on January. I will share some of them on January. And there's like another thing, like I'm working actually with other tax professionals on a book collaboration that is coming on January, so watch out for that. And I'm so excited, and I just participated in one chapter, but there's like more to come during the year. So this is sharing some secrets here, guys, so watch out for that. I did not write about nonprofit, I wrote about other stuff. So, but a lot of information about nonprofit coming later in something else. So you'll be able to see that sometime next year. I don't wanna share so much because, yeah, no, not too much sharing. Okay, so actually when I came here and I went live today, like this wasn't my plan. I wasn't gonna talk about goals. I really wasn't gonna talk about goals. I came here to talk about 990s. Last couple of weeks I've been getting a lot of questions about 990s and what do you have to file as a nonprofit, which 990. So one of the most common question was, if we make as a nonprofit organization, whether you are the tax professional or you are the leader of nonprofit organization, like I've been getting questions from both, like what do we have to file 990 NCARD if the nonprofit organization made less than $50,000? The answer is no. Yes, you do have to file 990, sort of like one of the 990. If you're not familiar with, there's 990 NCARD, 990 EZ, and 990. That's the long one. So you have to file one of these if you are a nonprofit. This is your tax reporting. It's informational, so you don't have to pay taxes unless you're selling products. And you want to be careful, like if you are selling products, you want to make sure you talk to your accountants and make sure that you are filing the correct form and you report taxes if you have to pay taxes, because nonprofit is exempt only from donations. Like anything comes from donations, that's what you don't have to pay taxes on. But if you're selling something, you might have to pay taxes. Not always, but you want to check the rules and check with your accountant. Now, if you are, you can file actually 990 or 990 EZ or 990 NCARD if you make less than $50,000 in gross receipts a year. But if you make more than $50,000, now you're not eligible to do any more 990 NCARD. You must have either EZ or the larger one. So just because you are eligible to file the NCARD, it doesn't mean you have to file the NCARD. That's what you want to keep in mind, because some people like have been thinking like we have to, like you must file the NCARD. No, you do not have to file the NCARD unless the 990 NCARD, unless you want to, if you are eligible to. But you have a choice to do the 990 EZ or the 990. And that's what I recommend, the minimum to do the 990 EZ, just because 990 NCARD does not give enough information. It's like filing just updating the day, the address, the contact information. That's about it. That doesn't provide any financial information. And if you are looking to get funding from grants, or you are looking to get funding from major gifts, from real money, you want to have like some sorts of details, which cannot be done if you do not do 990 easy or 990 the long form. So you want to consider doing that. I always recommend that, but you're still eligible to do the N card if you make less than $50,000. I hope this is clear. This is what I wanted actually to make clear. And hopefully, like, if you have this question, I hope that will be helpful for you. And if you have any other question about nonprofit, filing returns, also I do personal returns and business returns. So if you have any tax related questions or bookkeeping, any accounting related, like, I'll be happy to answer that for you. But I am Noura. If you don't know me, Noura Al-Masri. I am an enrolled agent with the Internal Revenue Services, and I help nonprofit to get funded and while staying in compliance through my mastermind. I'll talk to you soon, and bye.